Hello, mathematicians. Welcome to the last lesson for this week, lesson 16 problem set. In this class, you'll be learning about the distributive property of multiplication as a strategy to find related facts. Let's go. Multiplying by 4, this class deals with multiplying by 4. So this is 7 times 4, 9 times 4, 8 times 4, and this is our pattern sheet where you'll be multiplying in multiples of 4. Okay. By now you should be able to read tape diagrams. How many groups do we have there? What is the size of the group? Here there are 2 groups, and the size of this group is 8. So the multiplication sentence will be 2 times 8, which is 16. What's the size of the group? 3. The number of groups is 3. The size of this group is 7, right? And this is 3 groups, so that is 7 times 3 times 7, which is 21. How many groups do we have here? 6 groups. What is the size of each group? 4. Multiplication sentence will be 6 times 4, which is 24. Okay, this is an application problem. In this problem, we have Miss Williams draws the array below. Miss Williams draws this array below to show the class sitting charts. She sees the students in 4 rows of 7. 4 rows, 7 in each row. When she teaches at board 1, use the commutative property, which it is at board 1. Use this commutative property to show how Miss Williams sees the class when she teaches at board 2. Okay, if she stands here to teach, should be the commutative property or the multiplication is 7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 times 7. Now when she comes here, this board changes, right? That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will be 7 rows of 4, which is 7 times 4, which also equals 28. Shade the part of the array that shows 5 times 4. This has been done. What is 5 times 4? Now, talk to your partner about the box of an array that shows, so we are going to be adding plus 1 times 4. Just add it. Now, what expression does the box array represent? This is how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is 6 times 4. Right? Now label the shaded and unshaded area of your box with the equation. It's 5 times 4 plus 1 times 4, which is 6 times 4, which equals 20 plus 8, 4, which is 24. As 6 times 4 is also equals to 24. Now let's do that shows 5 times 4 plus 2 times 4. This is 7 times 4. If you label, put the shaded and unshaded, it is 5 times 4 plus 2 times 4. Now, 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 4 is 8. If we add 20 plus 8, it's 28. And 7 times 4 is also 28. Now let us show 5 times 4 plus 4 times 4. What expression does this box represent? 9 times 4. If we are to label, this is 5 times 4 plus 4 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16. If we add together, that gives us 36, as 9 times 4 is also 36. Now, what expression do we use to solve all three? 5 times 4. What did we do? We use 5 times 4 as the basics each time, right? To make it simple. Now, you can also solve yours with 5 times 6. And solve your 6's and 5 times 8 to get your 8. Okay, what we have here, this is on our template that shows what? 8 times 4. 8 rows, 4 columns. Now we can use that strategy to practice and show 8 times 4. Which is what? 5 times 4 plus 3 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3. Now if we can use this using number bond, 8 fours is now what? 5 fours and 3 fours. Which is 5 fours plus 3 fours. Which is 5 plus 3 equals 8. So we have 5 plus 3 times 8. This is what we call the distributive property of multiplication. Here we can distribute 8 times 4 into 5 times 4 and 3 times 4 to show groups of 4. Now, since the groups are the same, we add the 5 and 3. 5 plus 3, which is 8. Get it? Making it 8 times 4. We have the same groups, which is what? 4. This is 10 times 4. We can also use that to solve 10 times 4 as 5 times 4 plus 5 times 4. So, this is what you'll be learning in class. Don't forget to do your content page quiz, your quiz in the next page, and your assignment. Remember, next week is assessment. Prepare for your assessment. Watch videos, ask questions, even while you are in class. Wish you success in your assessment come next week. Bye-bye.